Hi guys, if you want to turn off automatic software updates on Samsung Galaxy M35, then let's see how to do it. So for that, first of all go to settings. Now here scroll down and tap on software update. Now here you will see this option auto download over Wi-Fi. You have to simply turn it off. Once you turn it off, now let's go back. And here you will see this option about phone. Simply tap on it. And then scroll down, and then here tap on software information. Simply tap on it. Again scroll down, and here you will see this option build number. You have to simply tap 7 times on it to enable the developer option. So let's tap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you can see it is saying developer mode has been turned on. Now let's go back one more time, go back, and then scroll down. And now you will be able to see here the developer option. Simply tap on it. Now scroll down. Now here you will see this option auto update system. You have to simply turn it off. Once you disable this option, simply restart your smartphone, and from now on you will not get automatic software update on your Samsung Galaxy M35. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily turn off automatic software update on Samsung Galaxy M35. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.